Okay, so what is the purpose of hi friends, welcome to Durga Soft. My name is Ratan. We are discussing Python intro questions. What is the purpose of default except in Python? Yeah, there some people will ask the question like this. What is the purpose of what? What is the purpose of default except in Python? Default except is there. Yes, an except basically to handle exception, right? Try block, except block. An except without any exception is called default except. Okay, an except without you are not writing any exception. An except without any exception is called default except. The default except can handle all the exceptions, because default except means the except without any exception, right? Without this is a default except, no? This is a default except. Here I didn't write any exception, right? This is called default except. That default except can handle whatever all the exceptions. Along with the default except, it is possible to take the normal except blocks also, except with the exception also, but make sure that the default except block must be the last statement. Normal except you can write the except the type error, except with the zero digit error, okay, but default except should be like last statement. As you got the pointer, the default except should be last statement, right? Exactly. Because the except without any exception is called default except. The default except can handle all type of exceptions. Along with the default except, it is possible to write what? Normal except blocks, but the default except block must be the last statement, right? Because you got the point, right? Yes, let me run this code if you want. Just you can take this code and edit plus Python first.py file you are writing, na? Exactly. Okay, this is a try block, no? This is except block. This except block contains any exception here? There is no exception. This is called default except block. Okay, this is called what? Default except block, right? The default except block can handle all the exceptions. See, for example, enter a number. Guys, enter a number. See the code once. Python first.py. Guys, what the issue? Control S is there, fine. Rest of the code is there, fine. Python first.py. Some characters extra is there. Do one thing. Durga soft dot fine. Yes. Yeah. We have experience, right? We'll understand what the issue. Experience. Through experience only you'll get that point. Enter the number. Enter the number means what? I enter number like Ratan here. Okay, so enter the number Ratan means what happened here? Enter number Ratan. Ratan is a string format. That string format we are converting which format? Integer format. That string to integer conversion is possible, not possible? Not possible. String to integer conversion is not possible. Then you will get the exception like tell me here what exception you will get. Type conversion issue, right? Type conversion issue means which error you will get? Value error, right? Exactly. Because this except block can handle value error also. See, Durga soft. Except block executing means value error is handled, right? Exactly. Second case, I will enter the 0. 0 means what? Zero digit error. The default except block can handle. Third case, if I enter the 5. 5 means what? 10 by 5. 10 by 5 means? Tell me here, 10 by 5. 10 by 5 means, then what is the point? Tell me. 10 by 5 means 2. After 2, 10 plus Ratan. 10 plus Ratan means what? Type error, right? Even type error also Durga soft got executed. So the default except can handle all the exceptions. Right? Once the exception lies in the try block, the remaining code is not executed, right? First case we got the value error, then this code is not executed, because once the exception lies in the try block, the remaining code of the try block is not executed, right? Maybe you know that point, that's what I didn't explain. Because you got the point, right? I told you that along with the default except, it is possible to take normal except block. Because normal except block, can you write the value error? Value error as e variable, as value error as v variable. Otherwise, let me take the print statement. Print of what? Tell me here. This is what? This is value. Tell me here. This is what? Value error information, right? This is value information. Guys, in this case, what happened here? The default see the value error when you got the value error except block got executed, right? Because when you got the value error except block got executed. Other than value error means what happened then? Tell me, other than value error, default except block got executed, right? Yeah, very simple guys. Then if you want you can run this code. 1 second. Yeah, run this code. I enter the number is Ratan. Ratan means what? Ratan is unable to convert into which format? Integer format, right? If Ratan is unable to convert into integer format, you will get the value error. Because value error means what? This is a value error information or not? Sir, enter the 0, sir. 0 means which one is executed? Is that value error executed? Default except executed. Default except, right? Durga soft. Sir, no. Even if you enter the 5, 5 means what? 10 by 5. 10 by 5 means what? 2. After 2, 10 plus Ratan executed. 10 plus Ratan means which error? Type error. Type error also Durga soft got executed. I think you got the clarity, right? An except without any exception is called default except. The default except can handle all the exceptions. Along with the default except, it is possible to write the normal except block also, but default except must be last statement. Okay, default except must be what? Last statement. See, for example, if you write the default except first, then normal except if you write, then you will get error message. Read the syntax error, guys. Default except must be last. Yes, default except must be last, right? Exactly. Is it clear now? Yes, that is called what, what is the purpose of what default except in Python? Some interviews they'll ask the question like that. So guys, thanks for watching. Can please write the notes for all the interview questions. Try to inject some content in your mind. Once you have the more knowledge, then what happens? More confidence. More confidence means it is easy to attend the interview, right? If you know no knowledge means what? Again issue, right? I hope you know that 100 questions, 100 interview questions. Definitely you have some confidence. Out of 100 is asking 10 questions means at least 6, 7 questions will be the same questions, right? Yes, sir, no? Thank you guys. Next video will go for next question. Thank you.